people say,
Bitcoin is more risky than the S&P 500.
what you could actually do is, instead of having 100% stocks and 100% Bitcoin, you could actually say 50% cash, 50% Bitcoin. And this Bitcoin, that was only half of the money, and the other half was cash, would still outperform the gains, but you would have cut your loss side in half. Basically, you could balance those numbers and see if it's possible that by having a ton of cash and very little Bitcoin, you actually outperform the S&P 500. And I've actually seen examples in articles written by people who claimed that during specific periods of time, people were buying 10% Bitcoin, 90% cash, and outperforming the stock market. And that is crazy.